Hello guys, everyone likes your own hair, right? So here is some healthy hair tricks to make some changes in your hair. Before going to the video, make sure that to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. And I came up with regular videos for you. And leave a comment below on the comment box saying I subscribe. We will try to personally reply to your comments. Take your hair from brittle to bouncy. Bad hair days are bummers. That's a beauty truth, but they are no jokes. According to Red Book poll, 74% of women says a bad hair make them feel less confident. So when your hair is in good shape, it is undoubtedly looks better. The challenge is your strands are constantly prone to hair damage like dullness, thinning, dryness, breakage, frizz and more. With all these potential strands, stresses, it is no surprise that having healthy hair required effort to keep it looking lush. And there is a secret shortcut to healthy hair. Taking time to keep strands strong is worth the commitment. With a small tweaks to your routine, maintaining great hair can be effortless. This video shares the best tips to help you establish healthy habits in your hair care routine for great hair days ahead. Here is the ways. You need regular haircuts to ensure that your strands stay healthy and don't break off at the ends if you don't want to lose a lot of length. Ask your hairstylist for a dusting so only the tips are snipped, which gets rid of damaged ends but maintain the length. For every 2 months, and if you have a short or defined cuts, you will likely need to go to salon. To minimize damage from heat styling, invest in professional hot tools that have iconic technology which will infuse moisture into your hair, and as you style use curling iron or straighteners that is old ceramic rather than only having a ceramic coating. This will disturb heat onto your hair, locking in your style quickly so you don't need to reapply the iron continuously to get your desired look. There is some smart steps when using hot tools. If you do nothing else, use a heat protection spray before you apply heat to your hair to defend against further damage. Let your hair air dry as much as possible before you blow dry. If you have curly or wavy hair, pull it back into a tight bun on a day one. Then the next day, use a iron to shape it. Switch up your hot tool usage. After you shampoo, blow dry your hair on day 2. Use a curling iron or straightener on day 3. Slick strands back to avoid heat styling, then wash and repeat. Make the most of your beauty sleep. Swap out of your cotton pillowcase for a silk alternative. It protects your hair, reducing the amount of friction between your hair and the fabric. Another secret to reduce stress on strands: sleep with your hair in a loose top knot, secured with a silk scrunchie, or try a low loose braid if you have thick or texture hair to give you more control of your strand during night. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. If you notice dryness, itching, or any other scalp issues, your hair will be affected by this. To maintain a balanced scalp, if you prefer a more sleek style, go for conditioners which keep hair frizz free. If your scalp is stubborn flangly and your hair is dry, to try condition treatment. UV rays don't only cause damage to your skin, and the same goes for pollution. When you style your hair, apply a leave-in styler to protect your strands. Antioxidant-rich cool organic scalp and hair mist SPF 30, which guards against an array of environmental factors. As soothing as a steamy shower may feel, taking a super hot shower on a daily basis can irritate your scalp and possibly weaken your hair as it grows out. Keep the temperature on the warm side, and at the end of the shower, give a quick cold water rinse to seal the cuticle shut, boost shine, and maintain healthy hair. Repeat after us. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Little things make a big difference. Your hair is an outgrowth of your body. If you are stressed, your skin will be stressed, and that includes your scalp. Now, keep calm and take a deep breath. You already know that you are what you eat. Your hair is mostly made up of protein. So, eating a balanced diet of protein rich foods is more important. And these items to your grocery list: fish, meat, egg, beans. Other good source of hair food is berries, spinach, and avocados, along with anything else rich in vitamin C and vitamin E. Starting down the hair care aisle can be overwhelming with endless hair care options. How do you choose the one? As you pick out the product, narrow down your options by looking for strengthening ingredients which will nourish your strands. Coconut oil, argan oil, aloe, or spirulina into your regimens. To keep strands hydrated and smooth, use a moisturizing hair mask or deep conditioner at least once a week, and more frequently if you use a hot tools regularly. Unless your hair is long. Did you see the movie Tangled? It has a character named Rapunzel. Do you have a hair like her? A nickel sized drop of conditioner is plenty for most textures and length. Apply your conditioner first to the mid shaft and ends of your hair. Then work your way up to the scalp. It is important to make sure your scalp gets hydrated as well. Leave it on for a full minute before washing it out. If you are dry shampoo addict, this is especially important to prevent a dry scalp. No matter what your hair texture is, taking 60 seconds to detangle strands will keep them strong. When your hair is wet, it is more vulnerable to breakage. So always brush knot out of your hair when it's dry. One added benefit: brushing dry hair disturbs the natural oil from your scalp down to the end of your hair.